Hey everyone, this is Bob with Bob CNC. Welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're going to be looking at alarm 1. What is alarm 1? It really is your hard limits are on, and we do not use hard limits for our machines. So let's just figure out how to turn them off. It's easily turned off by typing in $21 equals 0. You also might consider just resetting all of the firmware on your controller by typing $RST equals $, and then pressing enter. This will turn off your hard limits and you will no longer receive the alarm 1. That's all I have for this video. Make sure that you check out our other videos for troubleshooting.